Stephen Curry ang may tangan ng bola. Tumira sa tres. Good. Shoot. Nothing but net. Walang kasabit-sabit mga idol. Dinwiddie. Binigay kay LeBron. Binigay kay Reeves. Fake. Cut by LeBron James. Ginamit ng kaliwa. Yes. Good for 2 by LeBron James. Chris Paul. Pass to Clay. Fake. Bumitaw ng tres. Shoot yan. Dinwiddie. Pull up. Foul counted. Chris Paul again ang may dala ng bola papunta sa kanilang busluhan. Pinasa kay Wiggins, tumira ng tres. Uy, umalog pero shot yan mga idol. Si Chris Paul na naman ang may dala ng bola. Nag-layup sa ilalim. Yes, good for 2 by Chris Paul. Austin Reeves. Binigay kay LeBron. Nangalabaw na sa ilalim. Pass to Jackson Hayes. Yes. Hayes for 2. LeBron again ang may dala ng bola. Dribbling. Fade away jump shot. Nothing but net. LeBron again. Nangalabaw na sa ilalim. Ginamit ng kaliwa. Good for 2. Nag-flex pa si Idol. Stephen Curry, pass to Chris Paul. Ang hawa niyan, tumira ng 3 si Curry. Yes, good for 3 by Stephen Curry. LeBron again, dribbling. Pass to Rui Hachimura, pull-up jumper, nothing but net. Chris Paul, pass to Draymond. Wiggins for 3. Yes, good for 3 by Wiggins. Chris Paul tumira sa tres. Wala, airball. Dinwiddie. Pass to Reeves. Binigay kay LeBron, lays up. Good for 2. Pero di tinawagan ng foul. Stephen Curry again. Pass to Clay. Pull up jumper. Good. Austin Reeves. Floater. Good for 2 by Austin Reeves. Draymond Green, Klay Thompson. Yes, good for 3 by Klay. Time out. LeBron. Nangangalabaw na naman. Ginamit ang kaliwa. Good for 2 by LeBron James. Stephen Curry again. Pumukol ng tres. Shoot na naman yan.